Hey YouTubers, just want to do a quick video real quick on these TFal Krups Beertenders. They're notorious for breaking. The power supply goes out. This little doodad right here. Built-in power supply. It either the caps fail or, sorry my handshake. There's a fuse that normally goes on the corner. I removed it. Sure enough, the fuse was bad. And I was like, yeah, let me replace the fuse. And then reading online, everybody's like, the fuse keeps blowing or the caps need to be replaced. Why bother? You can actually buy the whole thing on Alibaba, I think. I get that yeah, there's the website. But why bother with all that, right? So some YouTuber decided, I'm gonna just do an external power supply. So I picked up this dude that was recommended. It's on Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks shipped or something like that. 12 volts, 6 amps. I think this thing only draws 4 amps. So, but anyway, it switches from AC to DC, 12 volts. So I then ended up cutting off the end of the plug, right? It's got 3 wires. You only need 2. The middle one's ground, so you only need the outside 2. So what I went and did from there is soldered on, screwed it in to these terminals that comes with the kit when you buy the external power supply. So I just did the white lettering as positive, and then the other side has a little knurl on the edge. You can feel it and see it. Made that the negative. Did all that. I wanted to reuse the power cord. I don't want to deal with, or the power switch. I don't want to deal with drilling a hole and mounting it and all that stuff. So anyway, I came in and spliced it all together. This was my positive for me. This was the negative coming off the power cord, coming off the original stuff. And then I just spliced all the 2 reds in parallel with the positive and 2 blacks with the negative, and plugged it in. Hold on, let's do that. It's a little hard to do with one hand. Sorry, my handshake. All right, let's try it out. Boom, power. So that's a simple solution, $22 fix if you guys want to work on it. Good luck, thanks.